Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Madam Excellence here. So today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious, tasty looking fish roll. This is a Nigerian recipe. I'll be showing you how I made it. It's very easy. It's not complicated. So stick around. If you're new, you're welcome. Kindly subscribe to this channel for new videos. If you're returning, thank you so much. So these are the ingredients we need. We need tuna. This is the canned one. If you have the mackerel fish, go for it. We need tomatoes. I'm putting tomatoes in mine. We need bell peppers, butter, 4 cups of flour, and then spices, habanero peppers. Yeah, let's jump right in. 2 eggs. 1 for the dough and 1 for the egg wash. So go ahead. We are gonna put in our dry ingredients first. That's baking powder and sugar. Just mix it properly like so. And then right ahead, you're gonna put in our butter. It's about 300 grams of butter. And we're gonna incorporate this into our flour, mix it properly. This is cold butter, by the way. Just mix it like so. And then we're gonna break 1 egg into that mix. Just combine it. Guys, don't overwork the flour, but just make sure it's thoroughly combined. And then we're gonna add a cup of water. And then just knead the dough like so. We're gonna knead it for about 5 minutes. Then on a clean surface, we're pouring in a little flour and then knead it once again so that we incorporate all the butter into the flour. Everything is mixed thoroughly, but not overworking it as well. And then we'll place this back into our bowl and cover with a clean film. Just use a saran wrap, or you can use a clean cloth if you don't have this. And just keep it aside, and right ahead we're gonna go ahead and prep our filling. And heat the pan, put in some oil. We're putting in our onions. Fry it a bit, just for it to be a bit brown, and then we add a little. This is half tomatoes, half of the full tomatoes, and then our bell peppers. You can skip the tomatoes if you don't want it, but I want tomatoes. This is gonna be yummy though. And then we'll put in a tuna flaked fish. And then we'll put in our spices. I have curry there, I have thyme, I have dried ginger, I have the habanero peppers, and And I have the onion salt. And then I have bouillon cubes as well, Maggi cubes. Give it a good stir. It smells so good, by the way. We are going to set this aside and let it cool for a bit before we put it into our dough. Our dough is ready. I let it sit for about 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Guys, try this recipe out. Let me know how yours went and leave a comment in the comment section. And then I'm gonna just divide and section this dough into 4 sections. Right away we'll be putting in our filling. Not too thin though. If you're flattening it, let it not be too thin. And right ahead, with the longer part of the dough, we're going to put in a fish filling. I wanted a lot of it, so I was generous, a bit generous with my filling. And then we're gonna just wrap it up. And before we wrap it, we just apply the egg wash to the corners of the dough. And gently roll it. Just lightly trim off the edge just to give it a clean finish. And then section it, cut it into the sizes you would want it to be. If you want it longer, you can do so. If you want it little bite sizes, go ahead. And this is how it looks. Put it in your baking pan, and before we throw it into the oven, we're going to put it with egg wash. I forgot to show you that. And there you go. That's how it came out. 45 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. I baked it, and this is the end product. It's so yummy, so tasty, and it's shiny. Enjoy this with your family and let me know how the recipe went. If you enjoyed it, let me know. Hit the like button as you're done. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.